Hello, good morning. In this session, I'm going to demonstrate on a server monitoring preview edition. So I wanted your feedback on the server monitoring tool we have developed within SQL Planner. So the moment when you log in, you would see list of servers that are being monitored. It's kind of Windows Server. Now, usually, if you have multiple server, it will appear in three different colors. Red means something is very critical, and those are detected like if CPU usage is very high or memory consumption is very critical, something wrong with the services, IIS or storage shortage, and warning is something when it has recently crossed the threshold and it's like in middle stage, and green are the one which is like everything is normal in that server. So this is live view that you are seeing. The moment when you log in, you would see servers that are being monitored, and green ones are, these small greens are saying these three factor are storage, CPU, memory is normal, but service is down here on a top level. So when you mouse over, it will also uh, show in tooltip. Now, here are these three small tabs based on which you can even filter out if you have hundreds or thousands of server. And when you want to get into detail of server to understand what went wrong there, you simply click over there, and in a nutshell here over on top here you see these two area had the problem, and here you can see you if you want to see the server health for a specific time duration, you can apply the filter, and it will show you the detail. And here it shows the server CPU uses. Nothing wrong with the CPU because we see that there are problem with IIS and service name. It's just for uh, understanding that what is the CPU and memory consumption at the moment in the server. That is why this graph is there. But here you see IIS and service has particular issue. And what we see here is uh, this IIS Internet Information Service had some application pool or site were down for approximately, I see that it's around 1%, 1% of the time from last 24 hour. Okay, so this is what it tells, and around 12 minutes. So if you are interested to know what went wrong with the IS, you simply click over details, and it will tell you, okay, this server has one unique services where something went wrong, and if you click over it, uh, it tells that application pool was in stopped state, and it is critical in nature, and the health status was degraded. So the duration when and all it had occurred, you can see at specific time it was in this state. So it gives you overall good summary about its IS health service. And if you want to look into services that went, uh, you know, services went down, you simply click over it, and it will tell you, okay, there was one service called MySQL, which is in stopped mode. And you can see automatic, it is set to automatic, but currently it is in stopped mode. For some reason, somebody would have stopped it, or this is what it tells. So 19 instances, approximately 19 minutes. So you can close it off. And here also you see the same. And when you come down, you see list of these processes that consumed specific amount of CPU, memory, and details. So these are the services. It tells you that is highest CPU consumption services, and if you go to network focus, that is what is the services that consumed highest amount of I/O activity. Currently nothing. That means nothing went more than 0 Mbps. So here you see memory-based services that consumed highest. If you click any of it, you would see the specific services consumption on CPU, and then this is memory, and then network transfer is always 0 in this period. This is what it tells. If you want to know complete details of this server, this is how you can understand it easily. And for every issue happens, it sends you an alert email, as well as you can see them something wrong in a very nice view. I would request you to share your feedback or view. What do you feel about this server monitoring, which is within this SQL Server monitoring product itself? Share me your opinion and comment. This is still in, under development, and soon we'll be releasing it for everyone. And hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback.